Hello everyone, this is Sanjeev Tiwari from Jayotri Academy. Today I am going to explain chapter 2 acid, bases and salt of class 10th subject chemistry. What are acids? Actually acids are those substances which produces hydrogen ions. Hydrogen ion means H plus hydrogen which possesses H plus known as hydrogen ion. You are seeing this is a glassware in which water is filled. When we put some drops or some amount of some quantity of acid in this tumbler, in this glassware, and we observe in water there are number of hydrogen ions are produced. Hydrogen ion produced by acid. We learned with this activity, we learned this with example, hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, the formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl, dissolved in water to form hydrogen ions, and chloride ions. It means HCl is a acid which gives hydrogen ions in aqueous condition. H plus produces hydrogen ion and here Cl produces chloride ion. Hydrogen ions or acids are those which turns blue litmus to red and give acid their characteristics properties. Other chemical properties of acid we will learn here with a sort of activity. You are seeing this is a test tube. In this test tube, an acid that is H2SO4 are given, and when we put a piece of magnesium or sodium, a pop sound is appear, the pop sound of hydrogen gas. When we take a matchstick near the mouth of this test tube, we will hear a popping sound, the popping sound of hydrogen. See with an example, with the activity, acid react with metal to produce hydrogen gas. This is magnesium. This magnesium react with an acid H2SO4. It produces magnesium sulfate and evolve hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas is vulnerable, produce popping sound. Next example, acid react HCl. Acid react with a metal carbonate, means calcium carbonate. It produces calcium chloride, water and carbon dioxide gas. Learn this with the activity. In this test tube, we have taken lime water, that is calcium hydroxide CaOH ka whole twice, and in this test tube we have taken HCl and calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate react with HCl, it produces calcium chloride, H2O, and a gas evolved, that is CO2. We can test the CO2 when we take a matchstick, burning matchstick near the mouth of this test tube. The matchsticks become extinguishes because CO2 is a fire extinguishing gas. Now next, Acids react with base to form salt and water. We learned this with a sort of example. Sulfuric acid H2SO4 react with a metal oxide, that is CuO, copper oxide. It produces a salt CuSO4 and H2O. This reaction is also called neutralization reaction. You have learned this reaction in 8th class, in 7th class also. When an acid reacts with a base, it produces a salt and water. We will learn in this chapter acids and their chemical properties. Today, thank you everyone.